Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Ooh, let's try this again. Hey guys, it's your girl Chocolate Curls, also known as Amari Elisa, and welcome back to my channel. To all of my subscribers, welcome back, and to everyone who is new here, welcome. You're gonna love me, you're gonna love my videos, so go ahead and subscribe below and like this video, and click on the bell to be notified for all new content, just because. Okay, so today's video is an unboxing of this new position that I have with one of my favorite hair companies. Do anyone want to take a guess? Shea Moisture. I am now a Shea Moisture brand ambassador for the year 2019, and they've sent my first box in, and I want to share with you guys because we're a family here. For being that Shea Moisture is a very big brand and honestly one of my favorite brands. I'm very excited about this process and this journey, and I want to take you all along with it, so you can look forward to tutorials with me using their products, even though I already do. But if they send new products that I don't already have, of course I'll be showing you guys those products. It's also going to involve a lot of giveaways, because I'm going to have a ton of Shea Moisture products in the end of this, because I already have a ton, and with them sending me products I'm going to have a lot more. So yeah, look forward to giveaways, look forward to new hairstyles, look forward to I'm going to also learn about new products that are good for your hair and things like that. I'm going to talk about a few here, and yeah, so just stay tuned and watch this video. So this is the box that I got in the mail. It's really big, it's pretty heavy, and it just says here how Shea Moisture really cares about our hair, which I really love. So they have no sulfates, no parabens, no, I want my hair to grow. I don't want to be putting terrible things into my hair, because that's going to hinder my growth or break off my hair. The whole point of me stopping perms was to eliminate putting a lot of harsh chemicals in my hair. So why would I just use natural hair products that also have harsh chemicals? It doesn't really make much sense. So I love Shea Moisture. And yeah, this is basically what it says. Now I'm gonna open up my box. So this is my box, and it has on top all of their collections that they have, which is so cute. And also these are the new labels that Shea Moisture now has, which is also really cool, because I get to use them, and yeah. So it came with this Shea Ambassador card, because that's me, And it also came with this here. Okay, so this is a pamphlet here that tells you a little bit more about the products. And the reason that Shea Moisture has their new labels is because a lot of people have been requesting that they put a lot more about the products and the hair types that it's for, and what the product can be used for, what are the benefits of the products and things like that. So yeah, this is included in this pamphlet here, and I'm gonna go ahead and also tell you as I show you the products. So first we have the Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Shine Conditioner. Okay, the main ingredients in this product are coconut oil, silk protein, and neem oil, and it tells you a little bit about each. Coconut oil hydrates and protects the hair to prevent breakage or reduce it. Silk protein soothes hair for a soft silky feel, and neem oil controls frizz while adding brilliant shine. The conditioner glides through your hair to help detangle and restore moisture, and it also can be used as a deep conditioner, so you can place a cap on your hair for 15 minutes if that's what you want to do. And whenever you're using deep conditioners, you should always towel dry your hair. Not towel dry, I'm sorry. Do not towel dry your hair. Try and use a cotton shirt. That's one thing I would say. I use cotton shirts, I don't use towels, because they kind of strip moisture from my hair after I've applied all these shampoos and things to put moisture in it. So towel dry your hair. If you watch my videos, I've told you already about this product here. I love it. And normally, if there's certain products that you use for your hair, and you happen to notice them in shampoos or other brands, I always say to purchase that product, because I personally know that Jamaican black castor oil works great with my hair. It's the main oil that I use for my hair. So me seeing that there's a whole line from Shea Moisture that focuses on like this main ingredient is Jamaican black castor. I was like, oh my god, I have to get that. And another thing I also really love is that this Jamaican black castor oil shampoo also has apple cider vinegar in it. And that's another reason I purchased it. I use apple cider vinegar on my hair to cleanse my hair. It's also good for like removing hard water residue and chlorine. I just knew that it was cleansing, which is why I used it. But that is a little bit more in detail, and it helps smooth the cuticle, and it doesn't strip the strands of the precious oils that we naturally have in our hair. This one here I'm really excited about because I have yet to use this one. Special ingredients in this one are Manuka honey, and I really love Manuka honey. I already know this is good for my hair because I have a deep conditioner from Shea Moisture that has Manuka honey in it, and I love it. But this one also has yogurt extract, which is different, and it has Nephira oil. And I think the other one that I have also has Nephira oil, but this is a little different from that one, so I'm excited to use this one. This is a creamy shampoo, and it says that this product is really good for when using heat on your hair or styling your hair with heat. And I like the Manuka honey because it helps provide moisture and boost shines. What it says here, the yogurt extract adds nourishing moisture to your hair. So I'm gonna put it to the test and use it one of these wash days. I also have here silicone free milk miracle style leave-in treatment. This is actually pretty new for me, and I use a lot of Shea Moisture products, so yeah. And the special ingredients in this one are sugarcane extract and meadowfoam seed. Listen, this is what I mean when I say like there's so many ingredients and products that I didn't even know that were good for your hair, and now I'm learning about them. Like, I love sugarcane to eat, like sugarcane extract for my hair. I know nothing about it, but like it says that it's a natural alternative to multitasking silicones, and you know, like some silicones are like a little bit too much for our hair, so I guess this is a natural alternative, which makes it a lot better to still give us that look, and that's new. And like the meadowfoam seed oil has beneficial properties, which includes moisturizing and adding shine, which is great for like any product you want something that's going to add some moisture and add some shine. And the marshmallow root that is also in this product detangles and reduces frizz with weightless conditioning. And like all the products have like a nice little explanation on them of what the ingredients are in them that make them so great. So like if you use certain products and you see, oh, this is helping my hair, oh, I really love this, oh, I wonder what's so great about this product, you can always look here and see the main ingredients. And like if you decide to look at other products to use other things in the future, you know what's good for your hair and why it's good for your hair. Last but not least, the last product I have is the 100% virgin coconut oil daily hydration conditioner. And since it says that it's a daily conditioner, it can also be used as like a co-wash or an alternative to shampoo. It has coconut oil, coconut milk, and acacia senegal. I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm so sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. Acacia senegal locks in moisture and supports the hair elasticity. The coconut milk and its conditioning properties, smooth and soften hair. Also has the coconut oil has an antioxidant vitamin E, which nourishes and helps your hair retain its natural moisture, and adds triglycerides, which are like fats. So good fats. And with any of the new Shea Moisture products, you can always look on the back and see what's popping. Let's see. Also added this nice brush. I guess this is going to be my styling product. I'm also going to try this. I have never used one of these brushes because it has bristles, and it also has like, I don't know what these are called, but we're going to see what it do. And being that Shea Moisture has their new labels, whenever in doubt, you can always look on the label, read the label, and see what that product is for specifically. Like, for example, some are for undefined curls, some would be for like stretched or for like elongating your hair, others would be for like dry or brittle hair. I'm sorry about the light, but you can always read the label and get some information. Please feel free to pause the video if you have to. I'll try to get most of the collections in the video. And you know, if you want to explore or try a new one and see what it's for, go ahead and pause it and take a look at each one. You can see here the Manuka honey and yogurt says it hydrates and restores, and it's for extra dry, very brittle hair. So if you have dry, brittle hair, it would make sense to purchase this product. And it also will say it on the bottle. Extremely dry, brittle hair. So this is my box. This is everything that I got in my first package from Shea Moisture. I will be getting a lot more packages, a lot more products, and I'm going to be trying out some of their new products that they're coming out with and everything like that. So I'll be sure to give you reviews, try it out on my hair, and help you out to the best of my ability to let you know like how great these products are, how bad they are, or whether or not they will work for your hair, and give you as much information as I possibly can. I mean, it's my job as a Shea ambassador, whether you like the product or not, whether I like it or not, to help inform you as much as I can, and that's what I plan on doing. I hope you liked this video. I hope it was helpful. I will have a lot more content coming, and look forward to the giveaways, the content, the hairstyles, everything that I will be doing with these products, because it's gonna be awesome. Oh, and if you like my video, if you like this video, please don't forget to like the button to say that you like the video. Let me know that it was helpful. Comment below, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell to be notified whenever I have a new upload. I'm back.